ang pagmamahal sa sarili, right, at ang pagmamahal sa salapi ang siyang magiging root cause kung bakit magiging mahirap ang mga huling panahon. Because people will choose to love themselves and they will worship money. Money will become a god. And tayo naman, na minsan parang we are innocent, we're just looking at things, but we are not really aware, mga kapatid, that it is rewiring our brain. Ito po ay nagdudulot na ng maling pagnanasa sa ating mga buhay. And so, it is very sad that people will spend a lot of time in social media rather than spending time in the scripture. And it is so sad na kahit po sa mga church po natin ngayon, all you see, mga kapatid, is maybe an influence. And the church is in danger. It's becoming more and more copying what the world is doing. Nakakalungkot, mga kapatid, right? I mean, dati mga Bible po ang dala natin. Ngayon, puro mga cellphone ang dala natin sa simbahan. Nakakalungkot dahil may mga pagkakataon that we cannot even focus and listen carefully or really devote our whole heart and mind, even in the 2 hours. And yet you are being distracted by your cell phone as you look at it. And so that's why I would really advise, even here, mga kapatid, in the church, I'm advising people, bring a hard copy Bible. And if you use your cell phone, that makes sure you will not be distracted. Right? And so, this is very subtle, mga kapatid. Pero ito po ay na-prophesy na. Ito ay magiging patindi lang ng patindi. It will continue to intensify. And this is making people more and more narcissistic. Masyado pong individualistic. Masyado pong ang atensyon ng tao is really for people to like them. And we will do everything to just get attention. And then, ang sabi po ni Pablo, sila ay magiging mayabang, mapagmataas, and this is what people is bragging about. They are boasting and bragging about really a luxurious lifestyle. They're bragging about their money. They're bragging about their good works, mga kapatid. And it's so sad na maging sa social media, they're using it, I mean, it's good, but it's very subtle. Sabi ko, it's glorifying self. It's glorifying individualism, rather than really increasing and seeing God increasing, right? And so, imagine, mga kapatid, magsisimula po ito sa sarili, and then ang mga susunod, ang sabi po rito, magiging masuwayin sa magulang, walang utang na loob, at hindi makadiyos. Pagka na naging makasarili ang tao, ang susunod pong mangyayari, right, ay mawawala na ang kanyang pagrespeto maging sa kanyang mga magulang, sabi po rito. It will affect the family. It will start with individual, with self, and once the self, ang siya po ang naging hari, ang siyang naging trono, right? Ito po ngayon ay lalaganap sa pamilya. At ang pamilya po ngayon, nakikita natin, it is being really destroyed even by this social media araw. And look at the description ni Apostol Pablo sa huling araw. Mapusok, mapagmatas, mahilig sa kalayawan, sa halip na maibigin sa ating Panginoon Diyos.